So for me to teach you Distanza di sicurezza, I need to teach you in a different way. So I'll start from tempo di reazione. What is tempo di reazione? Guys, please follow me. Open up your mind. Because if you don't open up your mind, this topic will hard you. What is tempo di reazione? Now, I prepared a wonderful slide for us. See the slide here. This is the slide. Now, when we talk about tempo di reazione, guys, there are two things I want move. I want us to focus our attention on. Two things I want us to focus our attention on. There are two things we need to focus our attention on when we talk about tempo di reazione. Look at this picture. Now, look at this picture very well. In this area, we call it spazio di reazione. If we come for this area, we call it spazio di frenata. Now, guys, watch. When we talk about tempo di reazione, what is tempo di reazione? From what we saw there, tempo di reazione means reaction time. The time it takes you to react. Imagine, guys, watch. Look at this car. There's a car here. There's a car in the middle, and there's a car in your front. So this word distance is sicurezza. Now the distance we give person with your front is that distance you give whoever you find in your front. Is it clear? The distance you give whoever in your front, not in your back. Please follow me. Oh. Please write it down. Write it down. Distanza di sicurezza is the distance you give whoever you find in your front, not in your back. I repeat again. Distanza di sicurezza is the distance you give whoever you find in your front, not in your back. Now, when we start discussing distanza di sicurezza, there's a particular thing we need to discuss, and that thing is called tempo di reazione. Tempo di reazione in English means your reaction time. The time it takes a driver to react. Let me take you guys a little bit deeper. When we discuss this tempo di reazione, have you noticed when a car hits a car in the front? When police arrive there, many a times the way they analyze that situation to determine who they wrong and who they right. I want to teach you now how they take the drum. You might be wondering how did they know your speed, the time where it take you go jam that person. They will not decide say okay you are the one that is wrong or you're the one that is right. I'm about to teach us something very very important. Now watch. If you look at this picture very well, there's a blue car here, there's a green car in the middle, and there's a yellow car in the front. Now watch. Now when we talk about distanza di sicurezza, we need to divide it into two. I repeat, we divide it into two. We have what they call spazio di reazione. Please, if I dey talk, when I write and down, I beg. If you have any question, stop immediately and ask me, I beg. Distanza di sicurezza is being divided into two. One is called spazio di reazione. Another name for spazio di reazione is called tempo di reazione. Distanza di sicurezza is divided into two. It is called spazio di reazione or tempo di reazione. That's what we want to do now. The second name is called spazio di frenatura. This one you see here. Spazio di frenatura. What it be spazio di reazione or tempo di reazione? Now that distance where it take you to react. The distance where it take you to react. My break and down before I start to read them. Watch. Look at this. All of us now. Let's say Mr. Let me see. Mr. Mavis is in this car. Mr. Lassa there for this green car in the front. Now watch. This is Mr. Mavis here. What is tempo di reazione? Tempo di reazione simply means in English the time it takes Mr. Mavis to react, to perceive to perceive a danger up till when he starts to react to it. Might repeat again. Tempo di reazione or spazio di reazione simply means the time where it take Mr. Mavis to perceive a danger up to when he start to react to it. Imagine when he start to perceive them, even when he start, everything that start, when he start to react to them. In our language, that means of spazio di reazione. Please write it down. Any questions so far? Spazio di reazione or tempo di reazione simply means the time it takes Mr. Mavis, that's in this green car here, to perceive a danger up to when he starts to react to that danger. That is what they call spazio di reazione. Okay, guys, I don't give us more definition. Let us now read what the book tells us. Please follow me, oh, please. They said, il tempo di reazione è il tempo che intercorre dal momento della percezione di una situazione di pericolo. What does this mean? Il tempo di reazione is that time where intercede between the moment where Mr. Mavis perceive a dangerous situation. Please watch, oh, up to when, a quando si inicia la frenata, when he starts to react, when he starts to hold brake. Is it clear? I showed us a picture there because when we talk about this particular guy, we're talking about a situation whereby Mr. Mavis is there for green car there in front. Tempo di reaction is what? Now that time when he start to react. è il tempo che intercorre dal momento che Mr. Mavis percepisce o dalla percezione di una situazione di pericolo up to when he start to hold break. Now when he start to react. Is it clear now? Please write it down. Me, I dey ask question. No, she wanna know. Another definition. No, this one of the definition. They said, watch. Il tempo di reazione è di solito pari a circa un secondo. What did this mean? They said, the time where you take Mr. Mavis to react from this picture. Please follow me, guys. Follow me, guys. So very important. See Mr. Mavis here. They said it is about a second. What did this mean? It takes Mr. Mavis a second to react. Guys, it need to be a second. It takes a second to react before catastrophe, before accident happen. It takes him to react. They said il tempo di reazione è di solito pari. Pari means equals to what? Un secondo. Circa there means it's about, now this word, it's about a second. It takes about a second. See, just check clock, a second. Before the T just do, before the, it will move again. It takes it about a second to do what? They say tempo di reazione or spazio di reazione is about a second. Let us continue. Watch, on that definition, they said, quindi lo spazio percorso nel tempo di reazione è quello percorso dal momento della percezione di una situazione di pericolo a quello di inizio della frenata. Let me repeat again. They said, lo spazio percorso, what is spazio di reazione? They said, watch, è quello percorso, is that time where we say, dal momento della percezione di una situazione di pericolo, from the time when Mr. Mavis perceived a danger, a quello, watch, di inizio della frenata, up to when he starts, Siam, up to when he starts to break. Are you guys following me? Tempo di reazione is what? Remember, is the moment from which Mr. Mavis percepisce una situazione di pericolo a quello dell'inizio della frenata, up to when he starts to break. Have you written it down, guys? Please write it down, everybody. Write it down. Write it down. Write it down, everybody, please. Please. Write them down. Mrs. Paul, write them down. All right, let me continue. Now, the contrast again say watch. Now I say watch. This spazio di reazione watch, dipende dalla velocità. Please write them down for a new, in a new, like, on that paragraph. Spazio, they said watch. One of the things where they affect spazio di reazione, because what if spazio di reazione is the moment when you start to perceive a danger up to when you start to hold break. They say one of the things where they influence them. One of the things where they affect them. One of the factors now your velocità. Please, please, please. Hold on. What is velocità? Who they make noise? What is velocità? Velocità means speed. Velocità means speed. Let me repeat again. One of the things that affect spazio di reazione is called speed. Write it down. What did that mean? Mr. Mavis, watch. Everybody in this class, watch. Mr. Bernard, watch. If Mr. Mavis is in this car, the more speed in the drive, he say, I'm saying, go take him time to perceive a danger. He say, I'm now, not even, it will take him time to even perceive the danger. It will take him time to even start to hold break. That means he can go and hit this guy, this green car. Please follow me. So one of the factors affecting spazio di reazione is called velocità. It's called speed. All right, guys, follow me. If you have questions, please stop immediately. Oh. Let us continue. È possibile calcolare lo spazio percorso nel tempo di reazione. Now, in this class, I'm going to teach you guys different methods to understand how to calculate this particular situation. We have four methods. The first method, not easy. Second method is easy. The third method is the best. The last method is for you to memorize it in your head, because in your exam that day you don't have calculator, so you have to memorize them. So you have to choose which one you want, and I'll teach you guys a way of doing it. Very, very simple. Please follow me, everybody. Follow me. Now the concept, watch. È possibile calcolare lo spazio. What is spazio in English? Spazio means the distance. Spazio na distance. They say it is possible for us to calculate the distance where it take you to react. Now I want to calculate. Is it clear? They always ask you to calculate the distance. Now, in your quiz, they will give you speed. They will always give you the speed. They will give you the speed. Then you will come calculate the distance where it take you to react. Are you following me now? My showing on this picture. Watch. They will give you the speed, right? Mr. Mavis, they drive, for example, 50 kilometers per hour. They will not tell you to calculate the distance when you take them to perceive the danger up to when you start to hold break. Is it clear, guys? All right, let us continue. È possibile calcolare lo spazio percorso nel tempo di reazione. Esempio di un secondo, moltiplicando per la velocità. Now, let us do the first example. Now, if I give you, please follow me, guys. So bring out your, everybody. Now, we are going to do it together. Everybody, bring out your calculator. Bring out your calculator, everybody, please. And Mona on a mic. Can you on your mic, please? Please, on your mic. Now, we're going to do something together, everybody. Now, I want us to write it down. This, let us start from 50. The speed is 50. The speed is 50. Write down as 50. Now, the first example says that multiply that 50. Sorry, multiply them by 1,000. Have you done it? Everybody do it, oh. Everybody do it. The answer we give you, remember the speed is 50. We want to calculate the distance when take you to whole break. 15 kilometers per hour. They say you should multiply by 1,000. Any answer we give you, divide them by 3,600. Divide them by 3,600. Please follow me. Oh. Now, divide it by.
Said multiply. I said multiply by 1,000.
My picture. If they give you the speed, for example, we're starting with 50, for example, 50 kilometers per hour, multiplied by 1,000. Any answer we give you, divide them by 3,600. What will give you? I'll call you guys one by one. Let's see. Miss Annabelle, can you do this calculation?
I'm doing it, sir.
What will give you? 50 times 1,000. What will give you? This is the first method. I'm teaching you guys the first method, please. This is the first method. 50 times 1,000, what will give you? If you can use your calculator, please. Use your phone. Use your calculator.
50,000.
50,000.
All right. Divide that answer now by 3,600. What will it give you?
6,000.
No.
No. 13.9.
It gives you 13.9. Now, watch. In your exam, you will not see 13.9. You might see 14. You might see 15. But in your quiz, they will not give you two answers. They will not give you answer. They will not give you 13.89. They will not write there 14 point. They will not write 15. They will give you only one of them. It is between 13.89 up to 15. Any of them, they're correct. Is it clear? This is the first method. But in your exam, you will not see 13.89. You might see 14. That means what we don't learn now. We don't learn, say, if Mr. Mavis, please, guys, follow me. Oh, please, follow me. When I must learn this thing because this thing is important. Now, that means if Mr. Mavis they drive for this road and Mr. Mavis is driving 50 kilometers per hour, it takes Mr. Mavis 13.89 seconds. Guys, 13.9 seconds is very crazy. Not even 13.89 seconds. That is approximately 14 seconds. 14 meters. That is 14 because the measuring system now meters. It takes him 14 meters to react. 14 meters to react before you go hit this person. To react, to perceive a danger, up till he starts to hold brake. Are you guys following? Because that's the definition of spatial direction. From the moment where you perceive the danger up till when you start to hold brake. I get question now for the class. Man, no, I talk to myself. I'll ask question. What's the class? I'll ask everybody question now. All right, let me see. Mr. Honor. Who is Mrs. Honor? Mr. Honor, 400. Please, on your mic, sir. I want to ask you a question, ma. Who is Honor 400 light? From the phone.
I think it's Alasa.
Alasa. Okay. Let me leave Alasa. Mr. Bernard. Mr. Bernard. All right. Mrs. Okay, Mr. Bernard. From what we just discussed now, can you give us the definition of spatial direction or tempo direction?
I would say is the time it takes for you to get a reaction. Like the time it takes for you to hold your brake before you hit another car.
Remember, no be like yes. From the moment where you dal momento dalla percezione di una situazione di pericolo, from the moment where you perceive them, up to the moment when you start to hold brake. Don't forget. From the moment where you perceive them, up to the moment where you hold brake. Now I want to teach somebody something very important. No, I'll teach it later. Let's continue. This is the first example. Please remember, the 50 multiply by 1,000. Multiply that 50 by 1,000. Any answer we give you, divide them by 3,600. This is the first example. This one is not easy to memorize them. It's not easy. I'll tell you guys the truth. It's not easy. Let us see second method. Please, guys, follow me. Second method. Now watch. Let us still use 50 again. Everybody, bring out your what they call it, your calculator. Now watch. That 50, multiply them by 10 and divide them by 36. Let's do it together. The 50, multiply that 50. Because the 50 is the 50 is the speed. Is it clear now? Your 50, let me write it here.
This
Another one, second method, watch. The 50, multiplied by 10. Any answer I will give you, divide them by 36. Now, guys, watch. I want to tell you something why I not told you before. That 3,600 now standard. It's a standard value. It is here now. Now start. That is it takes you almost 3,600 seconds, which is very, very small to react. That is the seconds. Is it clear now? Now watch. For this one now. Person because we don't want to do physics here because if not I would have gone deeper. Now let's just focus on the on patente for now. Second example. That 50, that is the speed, multiplied by 10. Let's do it together. I'm coming. I'll use one person. Mrs. Annabelle, might still use you. Mrs. Annabelle, Mrs. Annabelle,
Sir?
do this one. 50 times 10. Now waiting.
50 times 10.
Yes.
It's 500.
Exactly. Okay. Now divide them by 36. What did it give you?
13.89.
Wonderful. Is there any difference between that first one and this one?
No, sir.
See, I'm saying second method. Second method. Let us go to the third method. Please, if you know they clear, please stop me, ask me question, I beg go. If it's not clear, ask me question. If it is not clear, ask me question. Let us do the third method. Third method. Let us do the third method. Are you ready for third method?
Yes, sir.
All right, let us take 50. 50. Watch. That 50 now, divide them by 10. Any answer I will give you, multiply them by 3. That 3 is standard value. I don't want to tell you how it come up from. Now, 6 seconds. Why? Person could the one that say, how come you move from 3,600, you don't enter 36, you don't enter 3. That one are different. If you want to understand it, we'll go for a different class. A different thing. Now, do that
So
50.
you said
Divide them by 10.
50 more.
Divide now. Do divide. 50 divided by 10. Multiply by 3. My right hand here. This is the third method, guys. Third method. 50. Divide by 10. Any answer I will give you, multiply by 3. So as you go take to Mrs. Annabelle. In your exam, if you don't want to waste your time,
Yeah.
I take teachers that time. You go cancel 1 0 up. Cancel 1 0 down. What did remain? Don't be 5. 5 divided by 1 now 5. Abi?
Yeah.
5 times 3 now waiting.
15.
15. I get question for the class. In this 3 method, which one is the most easiest?
Number 3.
Number 3.
The third
I
one.
repeat again. I believe some people never understand them. Mrs. Annabelle and everybody want to do exam. The third method is very easy. Watch. If you just get 50, that is the speed. Just divide them by 10. Do the calculation in your head. Just cancel 0 on top, cancel 0 down. Wait till remain, not be 5. Now 5 day. Come multiply them by 3. 3 that standard value. And that you should know this one 5 times 3. You should know I'm off head. Now 15. You see, I say this one at 13.89. You see, this one at 13.89. This one at 15. In your exam, you will see 15. You might see 14. You might see is still correct. Any question so far, guys? I beg, ask me a question. Oh, please ask your question if it's not clear. It's better you ask question. We have seen 3 examples. Okay, Mr. Agareze. Areze. Might use you do second example. Mr. Areze. All right, sir. Good evening, sir. Now, you go do this one now. The speed is 60 kilometers per hour. Use any method of your choice. What will be the answer? Can you tell us the distanza, the
Like
sicurezza?
60
The spazio di
kilometers.
reazione.
Now let me say 60 times 10.
Use any method where you want. Use any method. Because I give now 3 methods, right? Use any method where you want. Then you can tell us the method where you use. Use your method of your choice.
Divided by 5.
Oh, Jesus.
I said 50 times 15 times times 10 is 200 divided by 5. It gave me 50.
Sorry. Which method you use?
60.
No, which one? Which one? Those are three methods I teach you now. Which one you want to use? Which method you want to use?
This 3.
Number 3, okay. How you take do am?
Okay. 60 times.
No be times now. Remember now, divide by 10.
Okay.
Wetin im give you?
Come 60 divided by 10. Okay.
All right. Remember, my
0.
help you. I will call you again after. Watch. If you want to do this in very fast without calculator, just carry 1 0 on top. See 0 here. Cancel the 2 0. If you cancel 0 on top, cancel 0 for down. Wait till remain na 6.
Okay.
Come do 6 times 3. You should know this one. 6 times 3 off head. Now waiting. 18. You see am now? 18 meters. Is it clear? This one is the Distanza sicurezza. In case for exam, you don't get calculator. Any number we then give you, just divide them by 10. Cancel 0 on top, cancel 0 down. Only 1 0 1 0. Cancel them. Come multiply them by the 3. Simple. Now 18 meters. Move do on that one. Now I want to make sure so you understand them. Still Mr. Areze, watch. No verse they call you. No verse I beg. You understand, sir? Oh yeah, do 70 kilometers per hour. Now your speed. Use any method of your choice. 70 kilometers per hour. Can you tell us the distance, the espacio di reazione?
70.
Mm.
7. You say 70 times.
No. Now you go decide which method you go
Okay,
use.
70
You go
divided
decide.
by 10.
Use the method. You don't see what I teach. You're supposed to write these things down. Write them down. Use 70 kilometers per hour. Can you give us the answer?
Okay. I don't know if you can come again because this thing I'm not getting it again.
That's why I say if you don't understand, ask me question. You don't want to ask me question. I gave you guys 3 methods.
Just 70 divided by 10, then you times 3 is the constant, which is 21. It's 21. Just cancel the, like you said, 70 over 10. Then you cancel the 0, it gives you 7 times 3, 21. That's it. You understand? It's the simplest. This third
Good
one
job
is the
again.
simplest.
Yeah, exactly, sir. You try. Exactly, Mr. Mavis. Watch. This I give you speed will be equals to waiting. Please follow me, Mr. Areze. Watch. Speed. They will give you speed. The speed now waiting 70 kilometers per hour. Now waiting go see for exam, for example, per hour. Now they come on. Where that per hour they say. I mean, no say per hour they there. They can't tell me you calculate the distance, the spatio deviation. What you go do? Just do. You want use which method you want use? Tell me which one you want use.
3.
Number 3. Just do 70 as it day like this now. As it day hot. Just do 70 divided by 10. Abi? Now, if you don't go calculate because you don't fix calculator that day. Simple thing, what you go do? Just cancel 1 0 on top. Cancel 1 0 down. Just cancel them. What you go remain? 7 divided by 1 that's 7. That's 7. Any answer what you get, 7. Multiply them by 3. 3 na constant. Always remember say 3 na constant value. You go always use. Multiply them by 3. 7 times 3 na waiting. Not be 21.
21.
Ma ask you on that one.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, do 100. This one hard. Okay, might first do small.
100.
Do 80 kilometers per hour. 80 kilometers. I want now. Mrs.
Divided by
Annabelle,
10.
follow and do him. Mrs. Annabelle, do it with him.
You hate.
What
Mrs.
did you say?
Annabelle, 80 kilometers per hour.
80 kilometers per hour.
Yes. Give us the distance, the tempo de reazione.
Divided by 10. So we'll give you 8.
What will be answer now?
Times
8.
24.
All right. What will be answer, Mrs. Annabelle?
It's showing me 8. Sorry, sir.
No. Use the third method. What will he give you?
24. That 100, may I try that 100 though?
I call. We'll reach there. No worry. I know say they sweet you, Nabi. You don't understand. You don't understand, Nabi.
Yeah.
That's what it's supposed to be. Miss Annabelle, oh yeah, come. I want me arrive to our level. Now watch.
No, I've not understand it,
Because
sir.
you need to
It's
open up
not.
your mind now. Understand and now watch. Move one together. I give you 80 kilometers per hour. That is the speed. Abi? I can't tell you now. May you calculate the
Yeah.
spatio di reazione. Use any method of your choice. You want to use the third method, which is the simplest. You want to use that one? Miss Annabelle, you want to use the third
Yes,
method?
sir.
All right. Apply and here. Do 80. Write and down, may no forget. And don't memorize them. 80 divided by 10. Now waiting. Cancel 0 up, cancel 0 down. Now waiting. Waiting remain. Miss Annabelle.
Sir, it's 8. It's
8.
8.
Remember, say you come multiply that 8 by 3. 3 na constant value. No forget. That 3 na constant. 8 times 3 na waiting.
24.
24 na the answer. The answer na 24. Clear now.
Okay.
That's what it be. But that one will remain. You come you must know that multiplication. This third one, they help you, they help well. I'm gonna do last one, guys. This one is for everybody. 100 kilometers per hour. 100 kilometers per hour. Everybody. Miss Annabelle, now you sorry. Miss Annabelle and all right, let me use Miss Annabelle. Only for Miss Annabelle and Mr. Areze. Okay. 100 kilometers per hour.
100 divided by 10 times 3.
Exactly.
Give you 10
30.
equals to 30.
Give it 30. Exactly.
30.
Is it clear, guys? You get person who understand this thing? This is here with us. Is there anybody who
I,
don't
I, I, I even have the textbook here, so everything is inside here.
is every day, Abi? But the way
Yeah,
you
yeah,
explain and I don't they clear, Abi?
yeah.
You don't pay your money.
Me,
Eh,
I pay. I don't pay. Me and the slack of
you know
pay.
they open
Ask
right
you.
now. No wonder.
But I never pay for this month. This is not new month
Okay,
today.
okay. Pay because they teach you better things here. All right, guys, we have 10 minutes before we go break. Guys, very easy, Nabi. Sincerely,
Yeah.
is there anybody in this class that do not still understand this thing? Please remember, say, for the theory, we talk, say, this thing, what is do here, one of the things that affects this tempo de reaction now, which is speed. Now, why would they talk about speed? One of the factors that affect this guy, for this tempo de reaction or spazio de reaction is called speed. That is called velocità. Speed is called velocità in Italiano. Velocità. Is it clear now? All right, guys, let us continue. Now, the controllers again say, watch. I'm coming now. Now, the controllers now say, we don't see the three methods, and we like the third one, Abi. Now, they can say, watch. La distrazione del conducente. What is distrazione? The distraction of a driver. What makes a driver to be distracted? What is driving? What are the things? They said, è un pericolo che può essere causato da incidenti. What are the things that can cause accidents when driving? They say, watch. Anche se si limiti a pochi secondi. They say that even if it is very, very little seconds.
Mr. Charles,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Charles,
Yes, sir.
you didn't, the first one, you didn't do it again.
The first, I don't do everything now. I don't do the first method,
I mean, the
second
fourth,
method.
I think there
Yes.
are 4.
Yeah. Oh, the fourth one, memorize them. It's true. The fourth one is to memorize it. For example, Mr. Hareze,
Okay.
if they give you 80 kilometers per hour, you don't memorize them. You don't know the answer immediately. Thank you, sir, Mr. Mavis. Thank you, sir, for remembering me. Yes. The fourth method is for you to memorize all of them. Any number with any speed they give you, you have to memorize the answer.
Like I want like 50 now, like 50 kilometers.
Yes.
50 divided by 10 times 3.
Times 3. Now, see the thing now.
Times 3.
Which method you prefer?
That's the answer.
You prefer to memorize the answer or you prefer to calculate them on your head? Me, I go prefer to calculate on my head. I don't go do mistake. I go just apply third method. I don't go do mistake. I don't go ever do mistake. I think go memorize that now. Can't forget say instead of me to say 14, I can't go say 20. If they say now, I feel do mistake. All right, that's the fourth method to memorize them. The controllers now say they say that even a little distraction can cause accident on the road. Watch. Può essere causato da accensione e utilizzo del cellulare. Do you know that they said? Do you know that only the mere use of your phone can cause you having accident? If you use your phone, it can cause accident. Yes, guys, write them down. Accensione di una sigaretta. Only say you want on cigarette because some people know in your phone now, your phone in your car, there's a place where you can on your cigarette. Is it clear? Just imagine you're just looking down. It takes pocky seconds. It takes 3,600. It takes 36 seconds. It takes 3 seconds. They see them now. It depending on how you take calculate them for accident to happen. Second. It takes a little second to happen. They say that just looking down, if you want to accendere una sigaretta. Next one, dalla ricerca di comandi dallo radio. Because some people now when they're driving, when they drive, they want to press radio, want to check radio. Do you know it can cause accidents? And they said altri apparecchi elettronici, even other electronic things inside your car. All these things can cause accidents. These are the causes of accident. It they come up for quiz. And it is vero. It is vero. Any question so far, guys? Any question? Okay, let us do the last one. Let us do 130 kilometers per hour. Everybody, 130 kilometers per hour. What is the spazio di reazione?
130 times
39.
divided by 10
Not be 31, no.
times
39.
13,
31, no.
39.
39. Somebody say 39.
39.
Yeah,
Eh?
39.
No, I was saying 39. 39.
39.
All right. Now, if you apply the first method, you go see there. I think you see 36 something. So it's between that. Sorry, you see between that 37 and 39. Any of them they correct.
Wait,
For
wait till
exam,
I see for my book. You dey hear me? Wait till I see for my book. So you dey hear me math talk.
yes, sir.
Like this, 30 kilometers per hour divided by 10 times 3 equals to 13 times 3 equals to 39.
Okay, 39 is yeah. 39 is correct.
Okay.
Yes, it's correct, sir.
All right. Mm.
Okay, Miss Annabelle, this part don't declare to you.
Yes, sir. He's
Mrs.
giving
Paul.
39.
Mrs. Paul Alpha, is it correct now?
Yes, sir.
Which day you go do exam? You don't ready for exam?
No.
You don't take for year. Oh. You know you don't take for year. You don't take for year. You don't know. All right.
Man, you
Okay.
go try. If you your click,
If you click,
you
exactly.
leave. Mm.
All right, guys. Let's do another one. See, I don't tell us something very important. See, we don't do spazio di reazione. Let us now do spazio di frenatura. I'm not going to play the video because I don't want to play the video. Let us do spazio di frenatura. Let me show us this slide. Now, let us enter into this part. Don't say we don't talk about this part. Abi? This part they nice. This part they easy. Let us now talk about this part. This part this is what they call danger zone. What it be spazio di frenatura? In English, it means the distance where it take you to hold brake. You see, the distance where you take your car to stop. Brake distance, exactly. This is where you can't take your car to stop. What's the definition? Spazio di frenatura and waiting. Now, from the moment where you start to hold brake, when you start to hold brake, up to the moment your car can't stop. That is spazio di frenatura. This part is very deep. Now, from the moment where you start to hold brake, up to the moment your car now stop. Now, watch. In this particular part, any speed way they drive here, no say for year. For example, no say if now 50 here, it go be 13 or 14 meters, abi. For example, if it's 50 you are driving here, it is double. Anything what they do for you now double. The number they double. You see it now. See, if it is 50 kilometers per hour, in this spazio di reazione, it take you 14 meters to stop, abi. Here it go take you like 28. It might even take you, see, the more speed they drive, it might become 3 times, it might become 4 times. Is it clear now? There are many factors affecting this particular area here. Here now only speed. Sir? Okay, this part is only speed. Spatial di reaction, what it affect and only speed and waiting and your reaction, the reflexes, the reflexes of the driver. I would if it save you for here. But you see for here, this place is very, very dangerous. A lot of things affect this area. Under spazio di frenatura, there are a lot of things involved. A lot of things are involved here. Is it clear? Because the more speed they drive, it they become double, it they become triple, it they become 4 times, it they become 5 times. Is it clear? All right. Now we'll soon go for break. When we come out from break, we'll now go further and discuss it. One more thing again, guys. For here, there are they get calculations, but they don't ask. There's never been any quiz where they will ask you the calculation of this guy. If you check, we'll not do it because they don't ask you questions on concerning it. Is it clear? But when we come out from break, we'll now understand some things. Here in a theoretical part. But remember, say everything that happen for this area, it happen double. If it is 50 here, which is 14 meters under spatial direction, it go be if it be 28 here. It can even be 100 DSF. Is it clear? Because of some factors. Now watch. If the road is bad, this part go be very, very bad. It will take your car longer time to stop. Because remember, say spatial differential and waiting. From the moment where you start to hold brake, up to the moment your car now stop. You see I'm now. Brake distance, exactly. Now, if snow fall here, it will take your car longer time to stop. If rain fall
Okay,
here,
bro. Okay,
yes,
bro. Like if you all break, this time the motor take drive for the brake or stop before the motor
exactly.
stop and I
Exactly.
be okay. I got
Exactly. Because
calculate.
for this particular party, they're very, very dangerous. Because of now, when we come from break, I go tell us more things. Why this part they dangerous. We'll now go deeper to understand why this part they very, very dangerous. This particular part they call tempo di frenata or spazio di frenatura. It's very, very dangerous. When we come out from break, we'll come discuss them very, very well. Because that's the most dangerous part. Because the more the road bad, and so the time will take it will take your car longer time to hold brake. The more the road bad. If snow fall there, it will take your car longer time to hold brake to stop.
I want to ask question.
Yes, sir.
Like the distance when you go give motor window your front, like before you all break, like how many distance?
That's a wonderful question. We'll not get a fixed value.